Good morning, class. Today I am going to explain you different types of the variables used in Java. As you know that in Java we are using the variable that is used to provide the named memory location for the different types of the values in our program, and these values can be manipulated. So in Java, we are able to use the three kinds of the variables, three types of the variables we are able to use in Java. First kind of variable is the class variable. Class variable are also called the static variable, and these variables are declared with the static keyword. Static keyword is a modifier that is used along with the methods and the variable. So if we are declaring any variable along with the static modifier, so this kind of the variable is called class variable. So these class variables are declared outside a method, constructor, or a block. Block means it may be a block of conditional statement or block of method or block of looping statement. Any kind of the block will be there. So class variable should be declared outside the block, means these kind of the variables will be declared just after the declaration of the class. So it should be defined outside the method, means they are not defined within the method, and they are not defined within the constructor also, or they are not defined within any block, means if a conditional statement block or looping statement block. So what is the purpose of using the class variable? There would only be one copy of each class variable per class. So according to the declaration of the class variable having only one copy with respect to a class, regardless how many objects are created from it. Means we are as you know that we are able to create the different object from the class. So for every object, this class variable has same value will be associated for a particular instant. Same value will be associated with the all objects. So it doesn't depend upon the how many objects we are going to create. So that's why we can say that regardless of the how many objects are created from it, there would be one copy for each class variable per class for one variable having only one copy for with respect to the different objects. And instance variables are also declared in the class outside the method, means in the same way it will be declared, but they are declared without the static keyword. When space is allocated for an object in a heap, a slot for each instant variable value is created. An instant variable holds the value that must be referenced by more than one method, constructor, or block, or essential part of an object state that must be present throughout the class. It means with different objects we can preserve the different values along with the object, means at the same time with the help of different objects, same variable will be used to preserve the different values. So this kind of the variable is called the instance variable. The same way as we are declaring the class variable, instance variable are also declared just after the class, means they are not declaring within the method, constructor, and any block. They are also declaring just after the naming of the class. Within the class block, these variables will be declared, but they can take the different value with respect to the different object. As we have observed in class variables, with respect to the different object, they have same copy, but in case of the instance variable with the different object, variable can have the different copy. So that's why the instance variable are frequently used in our programs. Why? Because they are more flexible and they are able to store the different set of the values. That's why it is called the instance variable. Means a particular instance we are able to give the particular value along with the particular object. So means that essential part of the object is state that must be present throughout the class. So it is related with the object state. Along with the object state, the instant variables values can be preserved. So don't be confused between the class variable and instance variable. Uh, and local variables are a totally different kind of the variables. They are declared in method, constructors, or block. Means within a particular curly brackets, these variables will be declared. Especially in case of the method, you are able to see the local variable within a method. We are declaring different variable. It can be declared as a parameters also, and it can be declared within the method block. But these kind of the variable will be used inside that particular block only. So there is this kind of the variable having a scope within the block. So local variable are created when the method constructor of block is entered, and the variable will be destroyed once it exists a method constructor or block. It means outside the method and variable we are not able to use these variable. Means as these variable will be used when we will call the methods and constructors. So if we are not calling any method and constructor, so then these variable will not be used. Their function is always along with the methods constructor or any particular block. So here you are able to understand difference between the class instance and local variable. Frequently we are using this kind of the variable according to the requirement of our program. Generally, instance variable are used when we want to make the communication between the different methods belong to the class, and class variables will be used also for different methods of a particular class. Means this class variable and instance variable, both variables can be used by the all methods of a particular class, and local variable having a fixed scope, and they can be used within the method or uh, within the particular block or constructor. So it is up to requirement of program which kind of the variable we have to use. If we are going to use a class variable, so then we are giving a particular type of restriction to our variable. Means along with the object these values will not be changed, the value remain fixed. If we are using the static variable, so it's not constant, so don't be confused with these kind of the variables are the constant variable. Constant variables are declared along with the final modifier, but static modifier is is used to make your variable constant with respect to the object. Means along with the object its value is fixed value will be used along with the different object, but class variables values can also be changed. So now I am going to explain this all kind of the variable with the help of a simple example, so the things will be more clear to you.